Hey guys, George at SoundTraxx here. This week we're going to take a look at our Blunami in a slightly different application than what you're traditionally used to. Today we're going to play with some Legos, so let's get started. Now what you see in front of me is a little bit different than the traditional model railroading than we've been doing in the past, where we take HO models or O-scale models or whatever else and put some decoders in it. Now, thanks to our friends at brickmodelrailroader.com, we've bought plans on how to build this SD40-2 using Legos. So we've put this together. It is installed with a Blunami, so we're going to go ahead and fire it up. Now, this particular locomotive has a battery pack on board. So I'm just going to tip it over here and we're going to turn it on. You're going to hear the sound come up. Now on my phone here, I have my Blunami app, and as you can see now, I have my Blunami 1.0 and I'm connected. So now I can go ahead and go to standard. It's going to take a second to read the CVs and so forth. And now you get that horn telling you it's done. So now using our app on our phone, we can actually run the locomotive and blow the whistle. Turn on the bell, and as you can see, we have illuminated the headlight. So we'll go ahead and get moving. And see, you can see that we can actually control this locomotive completely 100% using battery power and the Blunami. We're going to go ahead and change directions. And we'll go ahead and do that. And as you can see, my backlight is lit up as well. Now, one of the cool things, again, about the Blunami is we can go in and set up the decoder. And this is using a battery power. So all of our CVs are accessible simply using the gear. And we can go in and still make all our settings, adjustments. We can read CVs, everything just like you can with a traditional locomotive using model railroading, rather than using this Lego plastic track with a battery pack on board. Now, for those of you guys in large scale, be watching for the announcement for the Blue 4408 coming very soon. Now, for more information on Blunami and where you can get it, be sure to check out our website at SoundTraxx.com. Check out our retailer page so you can find a retailer near you that stocks Blunami.